Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So we're going straight into this wash day routine. I braided and banded my hair the night before, so I didn't have to do it in the morning to cut down on time. Braiding and banding limits the amount of slippage I get from my roots from wash day. I'm starting out with a clarifying shampoo for my first wash. This is the VO5 Kiwi Lime Squeeze Clarifying Shampoo. I mainly try to focus my first wash on my scalp. For my second and final wash, I like to use the Maui Moisture Curl Quench Coconut Oil Shampoo. This shampoo smells so good and does a great job at adding moisture to my hair. The clarifying shampoo that I used at first strips my hair pretty bad, so since I'm not using any conditioner on my starter locks, using this shampoo second adds some much needed moisture back to my hair. For this second round of shampooing, I actually do like to go in and make sure that the shaft of my hair is clean as well. I let the water run on my hair for a pretty long time after I'm done shampooing to make sure that all of the shampoo is totally out of my hair. Okay, so I'm done with my shower. I finished getting ready, makeup and all that stuff. So after my shower, I'll always use my microfiber towel to dry my hair. So I have a couple of these actually. They're the Turby Twist. I really like them. I don't have to like do any work to put them on my head, and they have a little elastic up here to like hold it, so they're pretty secure. Anyways, so next I'm gonna take off all these rubber bands. As you saw, some of them already came off in the shower when I was washing my hair. So I think next time I'm gonna have to, like, you see these two already came off. I think this one and this one came off too. There's some in the back that came off. I think next time I'm gonna have to double up, just, you know, just in case they do pop again. So, but I do like to use the colored rubber bands because they're easier to spot, and I'm able to, you know, see where I put the rubber band and take them off easier. So I'm gonna go grab my scissors to pop these off real quick. After I'm done taking down all the braids, I like to go in with Diluted Kinky Curly Not Today. I put about a dime size to a quarter size amount in the spray bottle, and then fill the rest of the spray bottle up with water, and then I just spray that all over my hair and kind of massage it in my hair to make sure it's fully coated. Next, I go in with my DIY oil and make sure I fully oil my scalp, and I give myself a pretty good scalp massage as well. Next, I like to spray this coconut oil hydrating oil mist from OGX all over my hair as a finisher. I love the way that this smells, and it gives me a nice sheen on my hair. Lastly, I'd like to make sure to separate every single lock from its neighbor, or better known as popping your locks. I only do this on wash day to prevent breakage. It helps keep any flyaway hairs where they need to be. Here's the finished 360 of my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Bye!